Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's revise the 3 vowel sounds we have learned. A, E, U, E, U, A. Can you name this picture in Malay? Ular. Can you point at U? Yes, here it's U. This is ayam. Can you point at A? Yes, here it's A. This is ikan and point at E. Yes, this is E. This is the new sound we will learn today. The sound is To make this sound, place your tongue behind your top teeth, touching the roof of your mouth. And allow the air to flow through your nose. When you say your lips should be open like this picture. Here we have and ah. Put them together. We say na. Here we can see na, and here si, nasi. Nasi is the rice. Here we have and e. Put them together, we have ni. Here we can see ni, and here it's peace. Nipis. Nipis is thin. This book is thick. Tebal. This book is thin. Nipis. Here we have and u. Put them together. Nu. Here we can see nu, and this is re. Nuri. Nuri is a parrot. Can you read this? Na, ni, nu, na, nu, ni. Okay, keep practicing. Now, how do we write this letter? The sound is mm. Let's write together. Start at the top. Go down, straight, and then follow the same line, up and curve, and down on the other side. This is how we write Let's write again. Start at the top. Go down straight. Then up on the same line. Turn. And down on the other side. So this is how we write Notice that this part is short. You do not want to write this very long. It will be another letter. Okay, so here it's short. And here the two sides must be equal. Okay, so that's all for now. Thank you, and I'll see you again. Bye-bye.